Ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to persuade someone but struggled to find the right words? Well, fret not, because today I'm here to equip you with 6 powerful phrases that will help you influence and persuade others effectively. These phrases are like secret weapons in your communication arsenal, capable of turning the tide in your favor. Let's dive into the first phrase, imagine if. This phrase taps into the power of visualization, prompting the listener to envision a positive outcome. For example, imagine if you could double your productivity with this new software. Next up, we have what if? This phrase sparks curiosity and opens up possibilities. For instance, what if attending this seminar could change your career trajectory? Moving on to picture this. This phrase paints a vivid picture in the listener's mind, making your point more tangible. For instance, picture this, a world where your ideas are valued and implemented. Now, let's explore, let me paint a picture for you. This phrase allows you to craft a compelling narrative that resonates with the listener. For example, let me paint a picture for you of how this partnership could revolutionize your business. Our fifth phrase is just imagine. This phrase invites the listener to dream big and consider the endless possibilities. For instance, just imagine the impact we could make together. Last but not least, we have trust me on this. This phrase instills confidence and credibility in your message. For example, trust me on this. Investing in this opportunity will yield great returns. By incorporating these persuasive phrases into your conversations, you can enhance your persuasion skills and make a significant impact in your communication. Remember, the right words have the power to sway opinions and win hearts. So go ahead, master these phrases, and watch how you can influence and persuade others effectively in any scenario.